Hey, third grade, we are going to just be practicing reviewing fractions and representing fractions because today and tomorrow you guys are going to be working on a fraction project. So I'm just going to review fractions, representing them and identifying them, and then, excuse me, give you an overview of what your activity is going to look like today, and then let you guys go ahead and get started with your fraction project, all right? So here they give you the model and it's already shaded and it wants you to represent the fraction or write a fraction that is being represented. So if I'm looking at this first fraction, I'm going to count my total number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be my denominator. And then I'm going to count the total number of pieces or the number of pieces that are shaded. 1, 2, 3. That is my numerator. Okay, I'll do another example. Here I'm going to count my total number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is my denominator. And then I'm going to count the number of pieces that are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, so let's look at number 3. How many total pieces do I have in number 3? Good, we have 8 total pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many of those 8 total pieces are shaded? Good, 6 of them are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, number 4. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. 3 total pieces, and how many are shaded? 2 pieces are shaded. All right. Who remembers what your numerator represents? Yes, your numerator is the total number of pieces that are being counted or shaded, and your denominator represents what? Your denominator represents the total number of pieces or parts in the whole. Awesome. All right, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that going to be my numerator or my denominator? My denominator, good. And then how many pieces are shaded? 2. So my fraction is 2/9. Looking at number 6. Get that glare off a bit. How many total pieces do we have in number 6? Good job. Is that my numerator or denominator? My denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then how many are shaded? Awesome. 5. Okay, number 7. What is that fraction being represented? Good. 3/4. Number 8. What fraction is being represented there? Awesome. 7/10. Number 9. Sorry, there's such a terrible glare. Number 9, what fraction is being represented on number 9? Good, 8/12. And number 10, what fraction is being represented on number 10? 1/2. Awesome job. Okay, now let me go through and also explain what this project's going to look like. Okay. So you're going to have 2 different slide decks that you're going to be working from today. Okay, the first one says pizza fractions. This is your directions and review. This is for day 1. Because remember, we're going to be doing this for 2 days. So in this slide deck, you're going to have your cue to review, your expectations, this video, and then you also have this video. Okay, this is just a little story to read. All right, it's just a fun little fraction story. I encourage you to watch it, and then it's just going to be reviewing fractions. And then this one is the directions for your project, okay? So this is titled Pizza Fractions, Directions and Review Day 1. And then you have, so this is the review and directions. This one is your project slide, all right? Here you have all the slides that you're going to see in your directions video, all right? You're going to create several pizzas. You will create and partition 4 different pizzas. The first pizza into thirds, the second into fourths, third into sixths, fourth into eighths. Okay? You're going to represent 3 to 5 different fractions using toppings for your pizza. For example, 8/8 of the pizza is cheese, 1/2 is pepperoni, 2/4 is onion. Your pizza pieces should be equal. Include a key that identifies each fraction with its toppings. For example, 8/8 of the pizza is cheese, 1/2 is pepperoni, and 2/4 is onion. One comparison statement for each pizza. Okay? Just like on your Array City project, you have these little check marks that you need to be using to mark off as you go with your pizza. Okay? This is an example. This is not what your pizza is going to look like, okay? This is the pizza cut into thirds. This is the key. 1/3 green bell peppers, 2/3 bacon, 3/3 pepperoni, 2/3 mushrooms, okay? 1/3 bell peppers and 1/2 mushrooms. So this is what y'all's looks like. This is your thirds you're going to make, your fourths, sixths, and eighths, okay? Here are your pizza toppings that you can choose from. Again, you're going to do just Control C and then Control V to copy and paste. So this is what your pizza should look like. All right. And then, so this says that 1/3 has bell peppers. One of my 3 slices has bell peppers. 2/3 has bacon. 2 of the 3 slices have bacon. 3/3 have pepperoni. All 3 of them have pepperoni. And 2/3 have mushrooms. Only 2 of the 3 pieces have mushrooms. Okay? Don't forget to include a comparison for each pizza. So you're going to tell me 2/3 is less than or greater than 1/3. 3/3 is less than or greater than 2/3. Okay? You need to make sure that you're including those comparisons for each slide. Okay? Please let me know if you guys are having any questions or you need any assistance. Hope you guys have fun.